How do we use our discretion in food? We say veg, non-veg. But we discuss so many times that in our scriptures, Bhagavad Gita discriminates food in three: sattvic, rajasic and tamasic. There is nothing called veg and non-veg. Naturally, all the non-veg food comes in tamasic, but even so-called some of the veg food also comes in tamasic. So that also has to be avoided, and that is the reason we try to avoid onion and garlic also. नहीं तो लोगों को ये गुत्थी समझ ही नहीं आती कि भाई आप क्यों मना कर रहे हो. Onion garlic तो vegetable है, उसमें क्या आपत्ति है? तो this is the issue. We are not even telling vegetable or not vegetable or animal. We are saying try to have sattvic ahar so that affects your consciousness. जैसा अन्न वैसा मन.